The flowers look like they went to the bottom of the tea light holder. Let's see. My crafts are failing once again and I'm disappointed. It's okay, unless we keep practicing I will know if it has come out good or not. Okay, it's still bendy. So yeah, the flowers went here upside. But this color is amazing. So friends, my tea light is completely dry and it looks like a soap to me. I wanna take bath with it. No, just joking. So my flowers just went down and I'm a bit disappointed, but I can this color is also beautiful and I'll add as this is for Diwali and you can use for other purposes also. So I am not choosing typical Diwali sticker, rather than I am selecting this lotus. So it can be multi-purpose, like you can use throughout the year, as we celebrate a lot of festivals. So these can be used anytime, not just Diwali. If I stick that Diwali sticker, then it will be meant for only Diwali. Sorry for my bad English. As you all know that this woman can't speak fluent English. Okay, this looks much better. Now look at the lotus shine, and I already love this tea light. Bye. See you in next video.